Advenate Hybrid. The Advenate Hybrid is a clever, all-in-one tool designed for outdoor adventurers, especially those exploring snowy or mountainous terrain. It combines a shovel, a probe, and an optional emergency bivy shelter into a single compact system, saving space and making it easier to carry essential survival gear. The shovel is telescopic and doubles as the handle for a full-length avalanche probe, which extends to about 240 centimeters. This allows for quick and accurate snow searches in case of emergencies. The optional bivy shelter packs neatly inside the shovel blade and can be set up quickly using ski poles and the shovel handle as supports, giving you a lightweight emergency sleeping or warming solution. This innovative design means fewer separate pieces of gear, faster deployment, and a more organized backpack. It's ideal for winter camping, backcountry skiing, or any high-altitude adventure where space, weight, and speed are critical. Alpcore Portable Toilet. The Alpcore Portable Toilet is a convenient, compact solution for camping, boating, road trips, or any outdoor adventure where a regular bathroom isn't available. It combines practicality with comfort, giving you a clean, reliable toilet experience no matter where you are. This portable toilet features a 3.2-gallon freshwater tank and a 5.3-gallon waste tank, allowing for more than 50 flushes without needing plumbing or external power. The piston pump flush system ensures each use cleans the bowl thoroughly, while a 360-degree sprayer and rotating pour spout make waste disposal hygienic and mess-free. Its sealed gaskets, anti-leak drain valve, and waste level indicator help keep odors and spills under control. Lightweight yet sturdy, the Alpcore Portable Toilet is easy to carry and fits into tents, RVs, boats, or car camping setups. Setup is simple, and it's ready to use anywhere. Balisongs. Balisongs, also known as butterfly knives, are unique folding knives famous for their split handles and smooth flipping motion. When closed, the blade is hidden safely between the handles, and with a quick flip, it opens in one swift, satisfying move. Originally from the Philippines, balisongs are admired for their craftsmanship, balance, and elegant design. They come in various styles made from durable materials like stainless steel, aluminum, or wood, giving each knife a special feel. Many people enjoy learning flipping tricks with balisongs, turning them into both a hobby and a skill. However, safety is key. Beginners often start with trainer balisongs, which have blunt blades, to practice safely. Collectors love them for their beautiful designs, while outdoor enthusiasts appreciate their compact size and usefulness for simple cutting tasks, where legal. The BioLite Alpenglow is a beautifully designed portable lantern that adds warmth, color, and convenience to any outdoor adventure. Whether you're camping, hiking, or relaxing in your backyard, this little light creates the perfect atmosphere with its soft, natural glow inspired by sunrise and sunset. It's compact, lightweight, and built tough enough to handle any adventure. With its advanced LED technology, the Alpenglow delivers bright and even light while saving energy, making it both practical and eco-friendly. You can easily switch between different modes: warm candle flicker, cool white light, or even colorful party vibes with just a shake or a button press. Its rechargeable battery lasts for hours and can even charge your phone or small gadgets through its USB port. The hanging loop makes it easy to place anywhere: in your tent, on a tree branch, or on your picnic table. Burn a Shield. The Burn a Shield is a smart and compact self-defense device made to keep you safe without using deadly force. Designed for everyday protection, it's lightweight, easy to carry, and quick to use in any emergency. Using compressed air, the Burn a Shield fires non-lethal chemical irritant projectiles that can stop a threat from a safe distance, giving you valuable time to react or escape. Its strong yet sleek build makes it comfortable to hold, while the ergonomic grip and simple trigger system ensure accuracy and control even in stressful moments. You don't need special training to use it. Just point, aim, and protect yourself confidently. Perfect for home safety, travel, or outdoor use, the Burn a Shield gives you peace of mind wherever you go. It's easy to maintain, rechargeable, and built to last, offering reliable protection you can trust. With its modern design and powerful non-lethal defense, the Byrna Shield is more than just a safety tool. It's your personal shield for confidence, security, and control in any situation. Cabin Anna is a stunning modern cabin designed to bring you closer to nature while keeping all the comforts of home. Built with natural wood and glass, it blends beautifully into any environment, from forests and lakesides to open fields. What makes it special is its flexible design with sliding walls that you can move to open up the space, let in sunlight, or create a cozy private area whenever you want. Inside, it's warm, bright, and perfectly organized with a comfy bedroom, small kitchen, and relaxing living area, all made with simplicity and elegance. Every part of the cabin is crafted to make you feel calm and connected to your surroundings. It's also easy to assemble and can be moved to different locations, making it great for travelers, nature lovers, or anyone dreaming of a peaceful escape. Whether you use it as a holiday retreat, a creative studio, or your everyday home, Cabin Anna turns ordinary living into a magical experience. The CampStream One is a smart and convenient camping trailer designed to make your outdoor trips comfortable and hassle-free. Lightweight and easy to tow, it folds down for simple transport, but quickly sets up into a cozy protected space in just a few minutes. Perfect for families, solo adventurers, or anyone who loves camping, it offers practical features like sleeping areas, storage compartments, and even a small kitchenette for cooking on the go. Built from durable, weather-resistant materials, the CampStream One keeps you safe and comfortable in all conditions, from sunny days to rainy nights. Some models include solar-powered options, letting you use lights or charge devices while staying eco-friendly. Despite its compact size, it feels spacious and well organized, giving you everything you need for a comfortable outdoor stay. Its aerodynamic design makes towing smooth and efficient, and it's easy to carry and store when not in use. Whether you're heading to a campsite, festival, or a remote adventure, the CampStream One combines practicality, comfort, and modern design to make every trip enjoyable. It's more than just a trailer. It's a portable, ready-to-go home that lets you explore the outdoors with ease and style. The Clocky alarm clock is a hilarious and smart solution for anyone who has trouble getting out of bed. It's not your regular alarm clock. When it rings, it literally jumps off your table and rolls around the room, making you chase it to turn it off. No more endless snoozing or falling back asleep. Clocky makes sure you actually get up and start your day. Its sturdy wheels can move smoothly on almost any surface and can handle small bumps or drops easily. You can set your preferred alarm time, volume, and snooze settings. But if you don't get up quickly, Clocky escapes. It's battery powered and super easy to use, making it perfect for students, heavy sleepers, and anyone who needs a fun way to wake up. With its cute design and playful personality, Clocky turns your mornings into a funny little workout. It's like having a personal wake-up coach that refuses to take 5 more minutes for an answer. Koala Tree Camper Hooded Jacket. The Koala Tree Camper Hooded Jacket is a versatile and stylish jacket designed for outdoor adventures, travel, and everyday wear. It's insulated with DuPont Comfort Max fiber fill, keeping you warm even in damp or cold conditions, with comfort down to around 20 degrees Celsius, 4-degree Fahrenheit. The jacket is made from recycled ripstop nylon and coated with a durable water-repellent DWR finish, making it windproof and resistant to light rain. It features 6 practical pockets, 3 outside and 3 inside, including media and glove-friendly pockets, plus a special stuff pouch that allows you to pack the jacket into itself to create a travel pillow. Adjustable elements like the hood drawcord, hem toggle, and Velcro cuffs help trap warmth and keep out drafts, ensuring a snug fit in any conditions. Despite its protective features, it remains lightweight and easy to carry. making it ideal for camping, hiking, road trips, or cold city mornings. For your channel, this jacket is a great gear piece to showcase. You can demonstrate its packable design, highlight the functional pockets, show how it protects against wind and rain, and even turn it into a travel pillow on the go. The Koala Tree Camper Hooded Jacket combines comfort, style, and outdoor utility, making it perfect for viewers who want a reliable, practical, and fashionable jacket for all kinds of adventures. Coleman Connectable Tent Bundle. The Coleman Connectable Tent Bundle is a versatile camping solution perfect for friends, families, or groups who want flexible outdoor space. The bundle includes two tents, a smaller 3-person tent and a larger 6-person tent. These tents can be zipped together to create one bigger, connected area, giving you plenty of room for sleeping, relaxing, or storing gear. Both tents feature Coleman's fast-pitch setup system, which makes assembly quick and easy. Poles are partially pre-attached, and snap-on clips allow you to have the tents ready in just a few minutes. The tents also use the WeatherTech system, with welded floors and inverted seams, keeping water out and protecting you from rain and wind. Large windows and roof vents provide good ventilation, and the e-port allows you to safely bring a power cable inside to charge your devices. The smaller tent is ideal for sleeping or storage, while the larger tent serves as a shared living space. Conquer LX108 Rugged Tablet. The Conquer LX108 is a tough and reliable tablet made for extreme outdoor conditions. With its 10.1-inch screen and IP68 rating, it can handle dust, water, drops, and rough handling, making it perfect for camping, adventures, or fieldwork. You can use it in muddy, wet, or dusty environments without worrying about damaging it. Powered by an Intel N5100 processor with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, the LX108 runs Ubuntu Linux smoothly. It also offers full connectivity options like 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, and GPS, so you can stay connected and use it for navigation, editing content, or controlling drones and other gadgets on the go. Its rugged design makes it a great companion for outdoor creators. You can mount it on rigs, use it during filming in harsh weather, or carry it while hiking. It keeps performing no matter the conditions. Devos OEG Screen. The Devos OEG screen is a premium outdoor projector screen designed to turn any space into a mini cinema. Whether you're camping, hosting a backyard movie night, or enjoying an evening under the stars, this screen delivers bright and clear visuals for an unforgettable experience. It's built with a sturdy aluminum and steel frame that's easy to set up and stays stable even in outdoor conditions. The screen itself is made from a silver-coated Oxford fabric that enhances brightness and contrast, making movies and games look stunning even at night. Available in large sizes like 120 inches, it gives you a true big screen feel anywhere you go. The setup kit includes ground stakes, ropes, and a handy carry bag for quick transport and storage. Designed to handle wind and outdoor use, it's perfect for campers, families, or anyone who loves outdoor entertainment. With its easy setup, durable design, and cinema-quality visuals, the Earth T250LX is a stylish and powerful electric scooter made for riders who want speed, comfort, and modern design all in one. Its strong aluminum frame and advanced suspension system give you a smooth and steady ride, whether you're cruising through the city or gliding over bumpy roads. The high-performance motor delivers quick acceleration and a satisfying top speed, while the long-lasting battery lets you travel farther on a single charge without worry. The wide tires provide great grip, and the responsive brakes keep you safe in all conditions. With bright LED headlights, you can ride confidently even at night. The digital display shows your speed, battery level, and distance, keeping everything at your fingertips. Compact and foldable, the Earth T250LX is easy to carry, store, and take anywhere. It's eco-friendly, low maintenance, and perfect for daily commutes or fun weekend rides. Whether you're heading to work or exploring your city, this scooter offers the perfect mix of power, design, and convenience. The Earthquake Early Warning System is a revolutionary technology designed to detect earthquakes within seconds of their occurrence and alert people before the shaking begins. Using a network of seismic sensors placed underground, it quickly analyzes ground movements and sends out instant alerts through mobile phones, alarms, and public systems. This early warning can provide a few critical seconds to take cover, stop trains, shut down gas lines, or evacuate buildings, potentially saving countless lives and preventing severe damage. The system works by identifying the initial seismic waves, P waves, which travel faster but cause little harm, and using them to predict the arrival of the more destructive waves, S waves. Many countries, like Japan and Mexico, already use these systems with great success. It's an incredible example of how science and technology can protect humanity from natural disasters. EcoFlow Wave. The EcoFlow Wave is a compact portable air conditioner and heater designed to bring comfort anywhere. Perfect for camping, RVs, or small rooms. Despite its small size, it delivers powerful cooling and heating, making it ideal for hot summer days or chilly nights. The Wave can produce up to 6,100 BTU cooling and 6,800 BTU heating, giving you reliable temperature control in tight spaces like tents, camper vans, or tiny cabins. One of its standout features is portability. You can run it off a wall outlet, car outlet, solar panels, or a compatible battery, making it great for off-grid adventures. Smart modes like Sleep and Eco let you save energy while keeping the noise level low, so it won't disturb your rest or filming. Ecto Chair. The Ecto Chair is a unique outdoor lounge chair designed to keep you cool, comfortable, and relaxed wherever you go. Perfect for camping, beach trips, backyard hangouts, or any outdoor adventure, it brings a new level of comfort to your gear setup. What makes the Ecto Chair special is its built-in cooling system. Microtubing circulates cold water from a cooler through the chair frame, lowering the seat temperature in under a minute. This means even on hot days, you can sit back and feel refreshed without sweating. The chair is built to last with a sturdy powder-coated alloy steel frame, heavy-duty 600D polyester fabric, and padded armrests for extra comfort. It also comes with a cup holder that can be mounted on either side and a carry bag with straps for easy transport. Setting it up is quick and simple, making it ideal for long, relaxing sessions outdoors. For your channel, Umar, the Ecto Chair makes a great visual story. You can show a regular chair heating up in the sun, then demonstrate the cooling effect of the Ecto Chair, highlighting how the system works and how comfortable it feels. Overall, the Ecto Chair is more than just a seat. It's a smart, innovative, and stylish piece of outdoor gear. It combines comfort, portability, and technology to make every outdoor experience cooler and more enjoyable.